Hi there, Scott here from GBC Tech Training. I would like to invite you to attend our upcoming Electric Vehicle Technician Program webinar. We recently launched this online certificate program and are very excited to get into the details about it with you and talk about how it addresses the emerging job opportunities in the EV marketplace. In this 30-minute webinar, we'll talk about the growing popularity of electric vehicles in the auto market, the opportunity for automotive service technicians to upskill for EVs, the opportunity for electricians to expand into the charging station installation, repair, and maintenance market, and the knowledge and skills that you'll acquire in the program to work in these jobs. After a brief presentation about the program, we'll move into an open question and answer period to address as many of your questions as possible. So, does becoming an electric vehicle technician sound like an interesting opportunity for you? If so, please join us on Zoom for our free webinar to learn about the emerging opportunities for EV technicians and how our program can help prepare you to work in this field. We hope to see you then.